Ericsson has spent 3 years validating 5G for industrial use cases by collaborating with different partners. Working alongside SICK and Audi, we can address complex use cases that could never be solved before, making human-robot collaboration possible. 5G has proved to be a unique and powerful tool in the hands of industries that allows them to address multiple problems within one common network.
Our future production environments need to be flexible. 5G and the local campus spectrum are key requirements for Industry 4.0. We are currently investigating various 5G-powered applications in our production lab. First results show us that 5G is vital to realizing our vision of flexible production.
5G technology provides valuable features for industrial wireless communication. Robust wireless communication enables fundamental changes in software architecture for more flexible automation. Robotics, when collaborating with human beings, can benefit from reliable low-latency communication over the air. That is why we evaluate 5G technology for industrial use.